So in this video, we're just going to look at the stem plot. So most of you should have seen stem plots at some point through, when you've done maths in the past, 5 or 6 years. Whether you remember it, it's a different thing, but you have done them. So basically, a stem plot, we split it up into two parts, as we say here. Okay, and that we call the stem and the leaf. So the stem, first digits, and we say first digits because I'll give you an example in a moment. And the leaf is the last digit. That's sort of the important point because we can use it for these four whole numbers, like 20, 30, something like that. We can also use it for decimals. So 15.1. I'd put my the leaf as essentially wherever the 0.1 is. And how do we define that? We define that using the key. So the key is saying whatever that line is represents that point there. Okay. So if I had 110, I'd put the line there. My key would be 11, 0, indicating that I'm going to have that's 110. If I had like example of 15.1 before, my key would be like that, but I'd have it in equals. I'd write it equals like this. Should have written like that first part. But that's indicating what the key will be for future examples. Okay, so keep that in mind. So that's what a stem and leaf plot is, and you can have them basically back to back as well. So you could have another leaf here, and you can compare, because if you turn sort of this on its side, you can sort of look at the distribution. So you can see the data's going up there and then coming back down there. The data's gone up and then sort of down like that. It's not a bad way to distribute it. Now, the key and important thing with the stem plots are, if you're looking at your data like this, okay, just write it in initially, then order it. Make sure you order the data. And by that, I mean, if you read a number, you'd go 25 first, so you'd put a 5. And then the next time you saw a 20, you'd put 4. Right like that, then fix up and go 24 to 100, because I can go from a stem and leaf plot and work out a median if I want to. So keep those sorts of things in mind for stem plots. But that's the basic idea of a stem plot. You've got a stem part, which is whatever's here, and the leaf part, which is here. That's the last digit. Okay? Thanks.